Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can log someone out of your Facebook profile. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you log in and using the latest version and watch the video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app. Here you can see the menu icon. Scroll a little down and go to setting and privacy. Tap on settings again. Here you can see more accounts in see in no account sentence. Now here you can see password and security. So here you can see where you are logged in. So to remove those devices, all you can do is just select the device and all you can do is just tap on log out and it will simply log out your account. So guys, like my video, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.